औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. How is it possible to celebrate independence but forget its founder? So today the topic of my speech is Kite's story, our identity. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to share with you the story of a man who changed the course of history. A man who gave us our identity, a man who is the founder of our nation, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, our Quaid-e-Azam. His story is one of vision, perseverance and leadership. From a young lawyer to the Governor General of Pakistan, his journey is an inspiration to all of us. He fought for our rights, he fought for our freedom, and he fought for our separate identity. He believed in the power of unity, faith, and discipline. His leadership and wisdom guided us through the darkest of times, and his legacy continues to inspire us today. His story is our story. His story is our story. It's a story of our struggle, our sacrifices, and our triumphs. It's a story of our values, our identity, and our principles. Let's learn from his life. Let's follow his principle. Let's make him proud. Let us work together to build a Pakistan that is just equitable and prosperous to all. Let us never forget our identity, our heritage, and our history. Long live Quaid-e-Azam. Long live Pakistan. Thank you.